Hi everyone! Welcome back to my tantalizing bites. Today I'm sharing my recipe for juicy, tender, flavorful honey garlic chicken. Let's get started. We're going to take 2 pounds of chicken fillet and add 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, paprika, and garlic powder. Once all the chicken fillets are nicely coated with the seasoning, you're going to set it aside for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's finely chop up about 8 cloves of garlic. Now heat up your pan on medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Place your chicken in an even layer. You want to cover and cook this for just about 5 minutes on each side. Once all of your chicken fillets are done, you're going to set them aside, and in the same pan add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, we are going to add the garlic that we had chopped. You want to saute this for just about a minute on medium-high heat. Now we are going to add the juice of 1 lemon or lime. Next, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of honey. Season with some salt and black pepper to your own taste. After simmering this for just 30 seconds, we will add half a cup of heavy cream. Give your sauce a quick mix and then return the chicken back to the pan. Toss around the chicken in the sauce so that each fillet gets coated nicely. Now just cover this up and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Garnish with some chopped parsley. And it is time to serve. I just love how quick and easy this dish is, and it is so delicious. It is such a classy meal. You can serve it along with roasted potatoes, mashed potatoes, some steamed vegetables or roasted vegetables, even pasta, anything you'd like. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're going to try this super easy and very delicious recipe. I'm sure your family is going to love it. Do let me know how you liked this video, and if you try out the recipe, leave me your feedback below. I'm going to enjoy my plate now, and I will catch you next time. Bye!